Click on the link below to get discount. The Casper Sleep Original Foam Queen Mattress stands out in the crowded mattress market with its thoughtful design and impressive comfort features. Upon unboxing, the mattress has a distinctive soft feel, yet its medium-firm support strikes an ideal balance for a variety of sleepers. The top layer made of breathable foam molds gently to the body, providing excellent pressure relief without feeling overly sinky. This is particularly beneficial for side sleepers who often experience shoulder and hip discomfort. What truly sets the Casper mattress apart is its innovative zone support system. This unique feature incorporates firmer foam in the center of the mattress, where most of your body weight is concentrated, while the head and foot areas are softer. This design ensures proper spinal alignment, effectively reducing the risk of pain and discomfort during the night. As someone who frequently tosses and turns, I found that the mattress adapts to my movements, providing the right amount of support and comfort regardless of my sleeping position. One of the standout features is the mattress's temperature regulation. The open-cell foam allows for better airflow, which prevents overheating, a common issue with traditional memory foam mattresses. I noticed a significant improvement in my sleep quality, as I didn't wake up feeling sweaty or uncomfortable. In terms of motion isolation, the Casper performs excellently. My partner's movements were hardly felt on my side of the bed. This makes it an excellent choice for couples who may have different sleep schedules or patterns. Durability is another aspect to consider, and Casper offers a 10-year warranty, reflecting their confidence in the product's longevity. Overall, the Casper Sleep Original Foam Queen Mattress delivers on its promises, making it an excellent investment for anyone seeking quality sleep. With its combination of comfort, support, and innovative features, it's a mattress that caters to a wide range of sleeping preferences and needs.